Hi everyone, in this video I want to introduce you to a website. It's called Partscrafter. So you can create structured 3D mesh generation via compositional latent diffusion transformers. So you can just upload an image and it will convert into 3D model. So there are various tools that does that. But what this tool will do is that it will create all the required parts that is required in the final assembly. So Partscrafter is a structured 3D generating model that jointly generates multiple parts and objects to form a single RGB image in one shot. So that is where it sets apart from other tools. So you can create anything as simple as toys. So you see this image to 3D part level object generation. So this is the image that is scanned. So it creates the final assembly. Then that can be split into various parts, which is quite impressive. Earlier we just used to create that 3D model. Now the constituent parts can be separated. So when you 3D print something, this becomes very useful. As you can see here, these are various objects that has been 3D printed. As you can see in this one, it's complicated. Or it's something like this. You see the individual parts. This is all generated from one single image, which makes it quite impressive. So these are some of the examples that is there. Now image to 3D scene generation. So this is the image and this is the scene it has generated. If you look at this, these are the objects there. If you look at this one, it has generated everything. It can be split into various constituent parts. So you can specify the parts, number of parts. This is the input, and based on that it will generate the number of parts that is required. So they're going to release the code soon. I think around July 16th or something they will release the code. As of now, if you see here, you'll just see this page where they will mention that they're going to release this code pretty soon. See, this 15th July they're going to release the code. Then you can use it. Okay, so this is the research paper. If you want to know more about it and who are the people that work behind it, you can check it out. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.